The future of space exploration and colonization holds vast potential, driven by advancing technology and humanity's enduring curiosity. Here are some potential developments in future spaceships and colonization efforts. Number 1. Advanced propulsion systems. Future spaceships may utilize more efficient propulsion systems such as ion drives, nuclear propulsion, or even concepts like warp drives if they become feasible. These systems could enable faster travel to distant stars and planets. Number 2. Sustainable life support systems. Long-duration space missions and colonization efforts will require sustainable life support systems capable of recycling resources such as water, oxygen, and food. Technologies like closed-loop ecosystems and advanced recycling systems will be crucial. Number 3. Autonomous exploration. Autonomous spacecraft equipped with artificial intelligence could explore distant worlds without direct human intervention. These AI-driven probes could assess planetary conditions, search for signs of life, and prepare for human colonization. Number 4. Space habitats. Instead of traditional spacecraft, future colonization efforts might involve constructing space habitats in orbit around planets or within asteroids. These habitats could provide living space, protection from radiation, and access to resources. Number 5. Interstellar colonization. Ambitious projects like Breakthrough Starshot aim to send tiny spacecraft to nearby star systems at a significant fraction of the speed of light. Although this technology is still in its infancy, it offers the possibility of interstellar exploration and colonization in the distant future. Number 6. Terraforming. Terraforming involves modifying the environment of a planet to make it habitable for humans. While this concept remains speculative, future advances in technology might make it possible to terraform planets like Mars, transforming them into Earth-like habitats. Number 7. 3D printing and in-situ resource utilization, ISRU. Future colonization efforts will likely rely on 3D printing and ISRU to construct habitats and infrastructure using local resources found on other planets or moons. This approach could reduce the cost and complexity of transporting materials from Earth. Number 8. Genetic engineering and bioengineering. In the long term, genetic engineering and bioengineering could play a role in adapting humans to thrive in extraterrestrial environments. This might involve modifying human biology to withstand the rigors of space travel or to better adapt to conditions on other planets. Number 9. International collaboration. Space exploration and colonization will likely require international collaboration and cooperation among nations, organizations, and private companies. Shared resources, expertise, and technology could accelerate progress and ensure the success of ambitious missions. Overall, the future of space exploration and colonization holds tremendous promise, but it will require ongoing innovation, collaboration, and investment to turn these concepts into reality.